That's what our coalition partners, I'm telling you, when they go out to their constituency, they talk Delhi against the NPP. But let me tell you one thing. You know, the voters now, they understand things. They are not at all illiterate. Almost 5 years, four and a half, almost 5 years, we were together and nothing was that problem happened within the government, within the coalition partners. But suddenly during election, they started throwing stones to the NPP led government. But we don't mind that. Let them say whatever they feel like saying for the sake of election. But let me just tell you one thing. People of the state have faith and confidence with the NPP.